Hey, it's David here from St. Croix Power Sports in New Richmond, Wisconsin. Take a look at this brand new 2025 Honda CBR500R in Grand Prix Red. This sport bike is built for riders who want the perfect balance of power, performance, and everyday comfort. You've got a smooth 471cc parallel twin engine delivering strong mid-range power and excellent fuel economy. The sport-tuned suspension and lightweight chassis make cornering effortless, while the full fairing design and sharp LED lighting give it an aggressive styling straight from the racetrack. And with ABS braking, you get extra confidence no matter the conditions. Whether it's your first sport bike or your next upgrade, the CBR500R ABS is ready to thrill every ride. Come see it today at St. Croix Power Sports in New Richmond before it's gone.